Hello, I'm Alex. I want to unboxing a case for new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now we unboxing the lucky box first, and we get the blue strap with Spanish League logo in there, like Real Madrid, Barcelona, etc. And this for strap replacement for the silicone case of S22 Plus. Okay, unboxing the silicone cover case from Samsung for S22 Plus. We get of course the case and the strap and some guide for use the case maybe. Okay, we put the Galaxy S22 Plus to the case and snap, and snap. This is soft silicone case. This bottom cover well, set and cover well, and the button is covering well too. And now strap can make you hold your device much better than without strap. Thank you for watching. I'm Alex. See you at my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.